Having strong, healthy, and white teeth is not only important for oral hygiene, but also contributes to one's overall appearance and self-confidence. While brushing and flossing regularly are vital practices, there are several other ways to achieve and maintain white teeth. To ensure excellent oral health, one should incorporate these 5 tips into their daily routine. Firstly, maintaining a balanced diet plays a significant role in promoting healthy teeth. Consuming foods rich in vitamins and minerals like calcium and vitamin D strengthens teeth and prevents tooth decay. Incorporating dairy products, leafy greens, and fruits into one's diet can provide the necessary nutrients for strong and healthy teeth. Furthermore, avoiding excessive consumption of sugary and acidic foods, such as candies and soft drinks, can protect teeth from decay and discoloration, contributing to a bright and white smile. Secondly, practicing good oral hygiene is essential for maintaining healthy teeth and gums. It is crucial to brush teeth at least twice a day using a fluoride toothpaste, as well as replace toothbrushes every 3 to 4 months. Additionally, flossing daily is vital for removing plaque and debris from areas where the toothbrush cannot reach. By making these practices a daily habit, one can help prevent tooth decay, gum disease, and other oral complications, ensuring long-term oral health. Moreover, avoiding habits that can harm teeth is another critical aspect of having strong and white teeth. Tobacco products, such as smoking or chewing tobacco, are not only detrimental to overall health, but also stain teeth and contribute to oral diseases like gum disease and oral cancer. Additionally, excessive consumption of alcohol can lead to dehydration and dry mouth, which increases the risk of tooth decay and discoloration. By avoiding these harmful habits, one can promote strong and white teeth. Fourthly, regular dental checkups and cleanings are essential for maintaining optimal oral health. Scheduling dental appointments at least twice a year allows dentists to assess the condition of teeth and gums, identify any potential issues, and provide professional cleaning to remove stubborn stains and tartar buildup. Regular dental visits not only keep teeth clean, but can also detect early signs of oral diseases, preventing further complications and ensuring long-lasting dental health. Lastly, incorporating teeth whitening practices into one's routine can help achieve a bright and white smile. Whitening toothpaste, mouthwash, or strips can effectively remove surface stains and brighten the teeth's appearance. I would recommend ProDentim because it would give you a brighter smile, fully rejuvenated gums, cemented teeth, and no more bad breath. However, it is important to consult a dentist before attempting any teeth whitening procedures to ensure safety and effectiveness. Dentists can provide professional whitening treatments tailored to individual needs, ensuring the best results without causing harm to the teeth or gums. In conclusion, maintaining strong, healthy, and white teeth requires a combination of healthy dietary choices, good oral hygiene practices, avoiding harmful habits, regular dental checkups, and whitening treatments. By incorporating these 5 tips into one's daily routine, individuals can improve their oral health, confidence, and overall well-being. Prioritizing oral care is a lifelong commitment that ensures a healthy smile for years to come. If you would like a product that will keep your teeth strong, healthy, and white in 2026, then check out ProDentim. It comes in the form of a melting probiotic candy that targets the mouth flora, or the microbiome. The microbiome is an ever-growing trend when it comes to dental health and will soon become an obsession.